Okay, so we are in the little town of Laurel, Indiana. The Whitewater Valley Flyer should be returning back in a little bit. I want to do a quick railroad crossing tour. This is in downtown Laurel. We're looking at the base of this crossing. The base is a Lincoln Industries base type model. There used to be WRRS incandescent lights on here. There used to be 8-inch lights, as you can see by the builder's badge. Got your emergency contact number. These lights are 12 by 24 inch Western Cullen Hayes incandescents. Got your relay case on this side. We're looking south down the track, the old New York Central. There used to be a passing siding over here. Now over here, we're looking at the other crossing, has the same thing as well. These are 12 by 24 inch Western Cullen Hayes incandescents. Get your WRRS badge, emergency contact number, and a Lincoln Industries base. So that's pretty much it. Stay tuned for my video of the Valley Flyer coming through. Should be here in a little bit. Over and out.